Hi, I'm Alex Campbell, the Development Manager on 111 Castlereagh Street. I've been working at Cbus Property for almost 2 years, and my background is in residential construction. I've worked on Newmarket in Randwick, I've worked on One Sydney Harbour in Barangaroo, and I've worked on York and George on York Street in the CBD. 111 Castlereagh is progressing steadily and remains on track for delivery in mid-2026. One of the biggest achievements recently was the removal of the tower crane, a significant moment that marks the transition into the next phase of construction. Really exciting times with the building progress. Across the residential tower, interiors are advancing well. Wall framing and services have reached level 33, with just one more floor to go. Wall and ceiling linings have progressed to level 30, and bathroom tiling is complete up to level 27. Timber flooring is up to 23, and joinery installation has progressed to level 21. From this month, we'll begin to see entire residential floors completed, starting from level 18 upwards. And our prototype residences are also almost finished, setting the benchmark for the exceptional quality and design that purchasers can look forward to. On levels 13 and 14, fit-out works to the resident amenities are well progressed, and the pool tiling and pool ceiling are now complete. These levels, together with the landscape terraces, will soon deliver beautiful green spaces for residents to relax and enjoy. In the commercial spaces, the lobby and the concierge are now in place. We've opened up the end of trip, and we're proud to have officially opened 121 Castlereagh this month. And we're delighted to welcome our new tenants, APA and the Commons, who are bringing fresh energy and activity to the precinct. At street level, we've taken all of the protection and all the hoarding back away from a large bronze sculpture, which has been done by the Indigenous artist Zach Page. And we're extremely excited about it. It's floor to ceiling, about 9 metres wide, and it depicts the Sydney Harbour foreshore and all of the bays within the harbour. It's a really exciting time here at 111 Castlereagh. As we move closer to completion, we're looking forward to meeting many of you in person, supporting you as you prepare for your move, and welcoming you into your new homes